Hey, Nick, you going crazy?
All right, y'all, so we got a Alfa Romeo right here. This thing is nice. I'm not gonna lie. This one pretty nice. We got red interior on it. It's RS7 with the midnight though. Sheesh. Black on black. We got a Mark IV Supra with Recaro seats. An M4. Look like a comp. We got a red. Jesus Christ. Y'all wonder why I want a Camaro so much.
I can't wait to get mine, bro. I'm gonna get that when I move out, bro.
Jesus Christ, and they got a Viper for sale too, and another Mark IV Supra. Yeah, it sounded good though. Yeah, the arrow, the downforce on this thing is crazy. Jaguar went crazy on this one. And the 488 right here with red seats. Sheesh. Look at the dash. 210 on the dash. It's hard though.
We had one. We had the two with the XKRS.
Yeah. It is wrong. It sounds good. As y'all can see, man, we're back with another video. Got cars with caffeine today. So, yeah, as y'all can see, we're around supercars and stuff again. Having the views on views and the goals. Except I can still feel the heat from this one. That's crazy. But yeah, I don't think everybody's here yet. Some people still just pulling up, and some people still gonna pull in. But I'll show you all the cars that's in here so far. Oh wow, that is crazy. Look at the lights too. Jesus Christ.
That is so long, bro.
Oh my God.
Watch. Stop.
It's too wide to fit over there. You got some smoking a little bit. Man. He is built. Jesus Christ. Man, it looks good. Yeah. That two-step was crazy. That sounds good. And he on bags. Alright, so right here you got an M8. I don't think it's a competition, but it's the M8. It's a what?
I think it's a McLaren.
What is that? It's something.
I've seen it on Midnight Club before. I don't know.
Yeah, I have too. I don't know what that is. I can't tell what that is. But yeah, it's a M8. I don't think it's a competition, but he got a whole body kit on here. He just got it too. That is crazy. Look at this wing on this thing. This thing got lots of downforce. He got tires. He got Toyos around.
Yes.
This M8 is nice. I do want an M8. Yeah, that is hard. I like this wrap on here too. This is like the dream Lambo right here. SVJ. Look at that radiator though. Jesus Christ. V12 back there, of course. The body kit, the downforce on this thing is like crazy. One of the best performing track cars. Look at that. The steering, the handling, the downforce, everything. This is crazy, man. It's like just raw and aggressive. You got V12, single clutch, 770 horsepower. And it looks good. Yeah, I like this color. SVJ to the channel one day, y'all. Just stay tuned.
I think the police like it.
nice on that 350.
The Mach 1?
Then the Mach 1 again. Jesus Christ. Man, the Mach 1s look good, man. You got Sammy pulling up in the Ford, both of his Ford GTs. Got the classic old school one and the new school. Look at the door, though. That's the door.
And it's a lady driving that hoe. Oh shit.
She got carbon fiber stripes on it.
Relax.
Okay. That was good, though. So this right here look like an AMG. Is it a GTS or something? Got carbon ceramics and gold. Yeah, look like it got red seats or red stitching or something inside. It's just a SD bash. It look like it might be a GTS or just a GT AMG. GT3 revving over there. New Lambo somebody just bought. 720. I like this color on here. 305s on the back. Got the spider. Red stitching and red seatbelts. McLarens do look nice on the inside. It's just the reliability, man. Maybe one day. I do want like a 765. That would be hard. And you got the Huracan GTS. Look like from the front it looked like a 911 at first, like a turbo, but it's just a GTS. I like the wing on it. Got a Porsche in the back. You got a Lotus right here. Older Lotus and the older Cayenne S Porsche. Another older Porsche. It's a 570 beside it. Okay. You got a McLaren GT. I like that color on there. Orange look good on there. We got a live ceramic coating right here. Coating the Porsche Targa. They got a live tint shop too though. But I was wondering what he's doing. So I just seen like a clear plastic, and then next thing I know, it disappeared on the car. I was like, oh, he's ceramic coated. Yeah, we definitely have to get the Chrysler ceramic coated when we get it like repainted and when we get it wrapped. We'll definitely do that. I'm gonna get the whole thing ceramic coated. You got the carbon fiber mirrors on here though. You got both of the Ford GTs right here. You got the old classic one. This one look good. Now this one, I watched the video on this one is like a real, like, if you don't know what you're doing, this thing can get out of hand. It can get squirmy on you. I like the paint color on this one.
That for 2004.
Yeah, it's not bad. It still looks good. Look at the vents on that thing, though. They got the new one right here. Got the new one and the old one. It's a good lineup. Carbon fiber wheels on that one. Suede I can turn inside. This is basically a F-150 EcoBoost motor, as y'all can see. It says EcoBoost. It's a 3.5. It's just a 3.5 twin turbo. It comes out of F-150, but I guess I was pretty sure they just built it up. Oh my God, look at the Ferrari. 458 GT3. Got a whole line coming in, man. Wildcat and the STO again. Huracan. That might be lip slips over there, I think, if I'm not mistaken. What a lineup coming in, though. What a lineup. Don't get no better than this, really. Like a GT3 right there. Another GT3. Then is that a what kind of Ferrari is that one? Is that Whistling Diesel? Is that Whistling Diesel?
Yeah.
See that dirt, bro?
Yeah, I was gonna say it probably is him with that dirt on it. This is Ferrari though. I believe that's Whistling Diesel over there. I'm not sure. It looks like, but I think this is his Ferrari too. Is this Whistling Diesel's Ferrari? The ones he took off road?
He really tried to. Yeah. He was literally doing donuts.
Yeah, he was doing donuts in the mud and stuff. Like, what in the world? Yeah. So indeed, this is Whistling Diesel's Ferrari. The one that he did. Don't look at it. Like, come on now. Got mud on it. Like, just imagine.
In the engine.
And in the end, just imagine having enough money to buy cars and like just tearing them up. Like, that's crazy.
All right, y'all. So we got a plan. We're gonna do with the 3 valve, right? 3 valve Mustang out there. So what we gonna do? We dumping that mud. We destroying the mud. Donuts everywhere. We gonna tip it over, upside down, twirl, everything. Man, we gonna see. Everybody always make jokes about wrapping around the tree. It's gonna be a real crack though. So yeah. Y'all just stay tuned. Give it about what? About 2 years something, get a next car or something. You get tired of it. We get it. So another few years. And it's gonna be nice when I do it. So I'm gonna build it up. Y'all gonna be pissed off. Make it look good. It didn't. It's gonna make me happy. It's serving its purpose right now. So our plans are we're gonna jump it. We'll build a ramp, we're gonna jump it, and then we're gonna take it off road. Yeah. Take it off. That's gonna be off road. Y'all stay tuned for that. I mean, like real deal, like dirt bike. Dirt bike, yeah. Take it on rocks, up the mud. Put some, we can put some off-road tires on it. Put some all-terrain tires on it. I see somebody do it on the Challenger. We can see how good. We can see how good it can tow. Since it's Ford built tough, we can see how good it can tow. Built tough. No, for real. Here we got Winston Diesel's Huracan. Look at his exhaust tips. Jesus Christ, he got 7 of them. Yeah, that is crazy. I ain't never. They got like a sheep or something decal up there. Yeah, it's crazy. His interior. Bronze rims, silver lip. It's lowered like in the mud too. I like it though. It looks hard. Never seen nothing like it really. He got his Ferrari. It's a 458 GT3. Basically a Ferrari's race car. It's hard carbon fiber. It's a wide body. Look how low it is. This thing is literally like touching the ground almost. The way the mirror comes out is like an arm's length. Yeah. Like, hey, you better not lie. Some aerodynamics. Real though. Aerodynamics. Like I bet you, it's just like come from that vent, go up there, go through that, go all the way back around the side, some go in the vent and some come up here on the wing. Even the door handle is dynamic. Yeah. Like, yeah, that is hard though. I don't know which one I'll take, this one or that. I think I'll take the Huracan. It just looked good. And then shooting them big old flames with 7 exhaust tips, that's crazy. Then y'all look at this Ferrari. Like, he done took this thing off-roading. He done did like everything to it. Took it off-roading, took it up a hill, a dirt hill, drifting in the mud. That is crazy. It's still running though. Oh, it's a little bath. They just need a little wash, a little bath, and it'll be all good. It's cool. Get some reels of it. Shots of it. Yes. It's a nice Ferrari though for it. 5.8 F8. I mean, it's even dirty on the inside. That's crazy. Thumbnail. Man, I swear, bro, this view type of motivation never gets old. One day, we'll own some of these cars, man. Just stay tuned, I tell y'all, bro. Got a nice color G-Wagon. Oh, he got the old school style rims on there. Okay. This tag say roar in the back. We got a GTR. Oh, yeah, that's the 50 edition. Got a GTR. Got a Hell Kizzy right here. It look good. It's slow, but it look good. It need a wide body though. But I do like the red and black. I didn't even see this 570. You got a 570. But yeah, this GTR. Got the bronze brakes, Brim Bros. Okay. Carbon fiber. It's like a matte carbon fiber. What was that? Oh, that's a 570. Startup just like a McLaren. Then you got the E55 wagon right here, the AMG.
y'all, this transmission is literally the same transmission that's in my car. Because as for y'all that don't know, my car is made by Daimler, or whatever, Diamond Chrysler, whatever, and which was owned by Mercedes. So my transmission is literally the same. What was that? My transmission literally has the same transmission as this 5-speed. Because mine is designed by AMG, Mercedes. So yeah, but they pretty good transmissions. They can hold a lot of torque, like 700 torque, I believe. But yeah, it's nice though. I like the rims he got on here. I know they rare. These are like rare, but they hold their value though, so that's pretty cool. But this is basically all the cars right here. You got Porsches over there. Look, is that a Turbo S? That Turbo S look good. They're red. And then you got another race car thing popping away. That thing is loud. Shooting flames and started up. Stuff in there. I'm trying to get like that. Got a GT3 RS too. And he got an exhaust on it. I know he's wild. Plate on that one. Yeah, this one too. Yeah, this is crazy, man. One day, gotta build this leaving. Look at this though. Just see a one. Crazy. Jesus Christ, man. Got the rail, the JLT intake with the rail. It's twin turbo, alright. Squirmy with it. The car started getting squirmy on it. Look at that lineup up here though. We got McLaren, GTR, Ferrari, Porsche. Got Wildcats STO. I forgot that that's a 5.7. I forgot that Keller did burnout some donuts in his STO. On him a little bit. Go Keller and Whistling Diesel's Huracan. Imagine getting to drive Whistling Diesel cars. Man. Oh my God. That thing is obnoxiously loud. You got Whistling Diesels in his new Ferrari, I think that he just bought.
Whoa!
That's a nice bullet. Yeah, that's Whistling Diesel in his new Ferrari. How low it is. That thing is low. Bro, it's like fireworks going off, bro. I didn't even see the Ford GT. GT sounds good. The old school Ford GT.
That was hard.
I think it's a manual. I think that one a manual. Got another low Huracan. Montana.
He going right hand. Hold up. What's up?
God damn. The valve just opened up out of nowhere. Look at the dash too. The dash.
Built-in stripes, sketch. This thing running, bro. What's up, Black White? Yeah.
Engine bay on that thing is crazy though. The lights, everything.
Inches are good.
Yeah, it's all carbon. All carbon. Yeah, man. The M8 is like my dream BMW. So one day exotic game. I'm telling you, bro, we're just gonna get everything. We're gonna have a whole just garage just full with different makes and models of cars, man. Y'all just stay tuned, bro. I'm telling y'all. Jesus Christ, man. Look how wide that thing is.
Yeah, come on.
It's like he just opened up and just, man. Okay. We're having too much fun in the M3. It sound good. We got the lineup to end off the day. The nice morning, nice afternoon, motivation morning. So yeah, with that being said, I guess we just going this video right here. Hopefully I enjoyed this another lit video, another lit banger with supercars, exotic cars, you know, type beat. Yeah, the name ain't exotic for no reason, man. I be telling y'all this. All right, be safe, bro. I be telling y'all this. The name is not exotic for no reason, man. But I hope y'all enjoy it and get the like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. You'll be notified every time we drop another lit banger. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, stay tuned. We got more banger videos coming. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Love y'all. Peace out.